Sige, so problem number 8 tayo. Ano ba yung problem number 8? So, this is actually integral of 1 plus, no? 1 plus cube root of x. 1 plus cube root of x square. 1 plus cube root of x square over cube root of x dx. Okay? Tama ba? Okay. Sige. So, again, do not be scared, no? Pag mga itong klaseng problems, medyo mahirap lang tinan. But, the best way to do this one or to solve for this one is first to simplify this one. Simplify muna natin yung function natin into a much easier na function wherein we can apply the integration equations. Now, the best way to do this one is to distribute, no? Diba? This is square man. I think familiar na kanina. I think alam na natin, no, kung paano to i-distribute using from your algebra, diba? That's a plus b square. Naalala nyo pa, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Diba? Yan, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? So, meaning, we can actually distribute this one. So, anyway, so, distribute muna natin to. Yan. So, after distributing, by the way, I'll leave the algebra part sa inyo, ha. I'm sure by now, alam nyo na paano i-distribute to. Paano ba? Papakita ko ba ba? Papakita ko na lang. Makakalimutan nyo na. Sige. So, I'll just write this one here. So, for this one, you have, gawin natin tong, supposedly, this is a squared plus b squared. So, ang a is actually 1, while ang b is itong yung cube root of x. So, that will be 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times ito, cube root of x. And then plus ito will be squared. That's b squared man. So, ito will be squared. Okay? And then next, ito na yung function natin. Bali, ito na yung nasa itaas. Okay. Next, after that, notice, meron tayong tatlong term sa itaas. Meron tayong isang term lang sa ibaba sa denominator, which means we can actually simplify this one by dividing each term with the denominator. Okay? So, simplify pa natin to. So, this will become, this will become 1 square, or actually 1 square is just equal to 1. Plus, this is 2 cube root of x, no? Over cube root of x. And then lastly, this will become plus ito over cube root of x. Okay? And then again, simplify pa natin. So, depende na sa inyo, but if I will simplify this one, I will remove ito mga square, yung radical sign, and then change this one to, itong cube root, change this one to the power of 1/3. So, tanggalin natin to. This will become x to the power 1/3. Now, ito, notice, I do not need to change it to the power 1/3 kasi it's obvious that this will cancel out kasi parehas man sila sa ibaba. Okay? Now, ito naman, yung isa dito sa itaas, it will cancel out. However, a numerator will remain kasi ang exponent kasi dito is 2. Ang exponent dito is 1. Diba? So, matitira is cube root na lang dito sa itaas. Yan. Merong isang cube root sa itaas na matitira. And then, I will change this cube root. I will change this one with to the power. Okay? You can actually simplify this one using your, calculator. Yan. So, anyway, ito na yung answer natin. Now, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko muna sa numerator itong to the power 1/3, no? Ilalagay ko na sa numerator. So, ilipat natin to sa numerator since nasa ibaba man siya, it will become x to the power negative 1/3. Okay, so I think with that, pwede na tayong proceed. Now, from this one, naging ganito. Now, ito, medyo mahirap tong, you cannot actually directly solve the integral of this function using the integration equation or formulas. However, with this one, a simplified version, you can now actually solve. Diba? Sige, so this will become x. So this was plus 1 over, i-divide natin to dito, the exponent, and then plus integral of the function, integral of a constant, so simply equal to 2x, plus, ito naman, plus 1 natin tong exponent, plus 1, divided by the exponent din mismo. Okay, and let's see. Ang pag-simplify, I will leave that one to you, ha? Ang pag-simplify, I think madali naman lang ang pag-simplify dito. Okay. Sana yun. Ayan. Okay, so I think diretso na. So this is equal to, again, ito, that's 1/3, no? So I hope agree kayo. This is the simplified version, no? That's 3x squared. 3x to the power 2/3 over 2. And then plus 2x. And then plus, ito, simplify natin to. This is 3x4 over 3. Okay, and then plus c. So I hope makakaya dyan. Yan ha. So again ha, ang pag-simplify, I'm sure alam nyo na yan ha. So this will become negative 1/3 plus 1. So that's 2/3 kasi magiging 1 minus 1/3. Ito naman, this 1/3 plus 1, that will be 4/3. Okay? So I hope makakaya dyan. Now, since this is number 8, wala tayong answer key dito. But we can check kung tama ba yung sagot or hindi. To check if tama ba yung sagot or hindi, you can actually just use your calculator. Tingnan nyo. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is try to solve with the derivative of your answer. Set x is equal to 0.1. Tingnan nyo. Shift. Yan, derivative of 3x to the power 2/3 over 2 plus 2x plus 3, ano yan? X to the power 4 over 3 over 4. Okay? And then plus c, anyway, I'll set c is equal to 0. C is a constant man. Any constant will do. Kahit ilagay ko pa dyan at 600, like 124. Yeah, 124. And then I'll set x to 0.1. Dapat ang sagot natin will be equal to 4.619. Now, yung sagot na yan ng 4.619, I will store this one sa letter A. Now, remember this value kasi we will try to solve again. This time, we will try to solve for our function. Okay? But this time, remove the integral sign. Isosolve natin ang function and then, same pa din, we will set x equal to we will set x equal to 0.1. Kasi supposedly, the derivative of our answer should be our function. Kasi baliktaran man yan yung integral and the differential. Okay, so this is cube root of x. And then let's try to calculate at x equal to 0.1. So 4.6185, which is actually the same kanina. Now, to prove na the same, you can subtract ang answer na yan. Ang answer na yan, i-minus natin sa na-store natin sa letter A kanina, equal to 0. Now, again, although hindi 0 sa calculator, but 0 na yan kasi negative 6.84 times 10 to the negative 12, that's actually 0.0000011 zeros and then 6. Actually, 0 na yan. Sige, so it means tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin. Continue tayo for problem number